And what we have here, family, is the sight of rain coming over the mountain. That's rain. It'll be here soon. It's been so daggone humid today. Falling leaves drift by my window. Yep. Fall is here. But that is rain. Oh, it just fell a few drops. Yepper. That's leaves. Oh, there's a few dark clouds up there. Yeah. That's where the raindrops are coming from. What the heck is that, a bird? Very dark clouds. There, you got a raindrop. Yeah, raindrop. Blow me right off the porch. I just thought I'd share the rain coming over the mountain with you. That's where all the raindrops are coming from, that dark cloud above me. And here's the rain. So I'm gonna give it a share. I haven't heard any good thunder, so I guess we're missing out on that. But hey, it's a nice summer day. Supper time. It's hecka humid. Hecka. It's like 80 degrees. Well, actually, it was 90 an hour ago. Really warm. The humidity's through the roof. And now the rain, so winter will probably be here tomorrow. Because the rains of the season brought summer. And this one will probably bring winter. Thanks for hanging out with me, family. Sure hope you all have a very blessed one. I love you. Here comes the rain. I'm getting soaked now. Hope you have a fabulous one. This is Lynn out. Ooh, rain.